Hi everyone, welcome to Konnur online platform. First of all, I would like to congratulate and thank you for choosing our prestigious institute. So here, myself, Sadashu, working as a mathematics lecturer. Today, we have to start new chapter, number theory. Number theory. Number theory. Number theory. Before start this chapter, first I will give question paper pattern. So question paper pattern is question paper pattern. Here question paper pattern, it has 5 parts like part A, part B, part C, part D, part E. Part A carries 1 mark questions. Part A carries 1 mark questions. Part B carries 2 marks questions. 2 marks questions. Part C 3 marks questions. Part D 5 marks questions. Part E 10 marks question. So that part A carries 1 marks, part B 2 marks, part C 3 marks, part D 5 marks, and part E 10 marks. So here 1 mark questions. They will give 12 questions. Out of 12, you have to write only 10. 2 extra will be there. In 2 marks, they will give 13 questions. Out of 13, you have to attempt any 10. Similarly, third marks, again they will give 13 questions. Out of 13, you have to solve any 10. 3 extra will be there. 5 marks, they will give 10 questions. Out of 10, you have to attempt any 6. And last 10 marks, they will give 2 questions. You have to attempt only 1 question. Here, 1 mark questions. 1 into 10, 10. 2 marks. 2 into 10, 20. 3 marks. 3 into 10, 30. 5 marks. 5 into 6, again 30. 10 marks. 10 into 1, 10. So yeah, if you calculate 10 to 30, 60, 30, 90 plus 10, 100. If you calculate this one, 147. Out of 147, we have to attempt 100. So that question paper, it has 3 hours 15 minutes. 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, now I have to start the first chapter, number theory. In this chapter, for annual examination, we'll get 10 marks. 10 marks weightage. So here, 1 mark 1 question and 2 mark 3 questions and 3 marks 1 question. 1, 2 into 3, 6, 1 plus 7, 6, 7 plus 3, total 10 marks. So in this chapter, we shall study about numbers, and their properties, and its applications. Numbers nothing but natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational, composite, prime numbers, like that. So first one, natural numbers. Capital N indicate natural number. That N denotes N denotes natural number. Natural number nothing but all counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers. All counting numbers. All counting numbers called natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, so on up to. Counting means 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on up to. That N denotes natural number. That indicates natural number. If you observe here, the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on up to, that numbers called odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Similarly, the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on up to called even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Even means what? A number is divisible by 2. Or means a number is not divisible by 2. Like that. So here, natural numbers. Here from 1 to 10. Here between 1 to 10. Important. Here from indicates what? Here between indicates what? From 1 to 10. From means end numbers or end point should be considered, including 1 and 10. Nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Between means between 1 to 10. End point should not be considered. Here, end point should not be considered except 1 and 10. The numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From means end point should be considered. Between means end point should not be considered. Suppose if I ask the collection of all even natural numbers, all even natural numbers, all even natural numbers less than 10. The question is all even means 2, 4, 6, 8. Less than 10 means 2, 4, 6 and 8 only. Suppose the collection of all odd natural numbers less than 10 means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Suppose all even natural numbers less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to means again that number should be considered. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Less than 10 means 2, 4, 6 and 8. Less than or equal to means that number should be considered. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So next one is whole number. Whole number. W. Capital W indicates whole number. Natural numbers means all counting numbers. Here whole number means all counting numbers. All counting numbers. All counting numbers. Including zero. All counting numbers including zero. Counting numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to, including 0. 0. These are the whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted as capital W. W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to, like that. So next one is integers. 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 Z. Z indicates integers. Integers. The numbers like like 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3, so on up to, or minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, so on up to, called integers, are the set of all positive and negative numbers. So here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to, called positive integers. Positive integers denoted as Z plus. Positive integers. The numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on up to, called negative integers. Negative integers. That is the Z minus. Negative integers. That 0 is called neither positive nor negative. If you observe here, the numbers 2, 4, 6, so on up to, called positive even integers. The numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on up to, positive odd integers. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, so on up to, called negative even integers. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to, represents non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Again, non-negative but plus. Similarly, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on up to, represents non-positive integers. Non-positive but again negative values only. So next one is rational numbers. That Q indicates rational number. The numbers which are of the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, that P and Q are integers. Or the number can be expressed in the form of P by Q. That is a rational. Here, irrational number. The numbers which are which are not of the form, which are not of the form, not of the form P by Q, or the number cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. So here I will give some examples. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and pi value nothing but 22.7, 20 by 7. In the form of P by Q, in the form of P by Q, P by Q, P by Q, again in the form of P by Q. All these are irrational numbers except pi value. Why? So here, before that I only said if in the form of P by Q there is a rational 22 by 7 in the form of P by Q. Okay. So listen here. The numbers with finite decimal or infinite recurring. That is a rational. So listen here. The numbers with finite decimal or infinite recurring indicates rational number. So here 1 by 2. If you calculate, you will get the answer 0.5. The condition is the number with finite decimal. 3 by 4, nothing but 0.75. Pi by 2 value, 5 by 2, 2.5. 1 by 3 value, 1 by 3, 0.3, so on up to 22 by 7, 3.142, again something. So here the number with finite decimal or infinite recurring. Finite decimal, if you get finite decimal, that is a rational. 0.5 is a finite decimal. We got one value. Here 0.75, again in the form of P by Q. So here 1 by 2 is a rational number, 3 by 4 is a rational number, 5 by 2 is a rational number, 1 by 3 is also rational number, but pi value is not a rational, nothing but irrational number. So here finite decimal, we got one value 2.5, finite decimal, or again condition infinite recurring, 1 by 3 value 0.3333 something. Infinite recurring means what? Again we got same value or repetitions, 3, next value 3, next value 3, like that. If it comes like a infinite recurring, or 31, like that comes, there is a infinite recurring. 15, so on up to. If it comes like that, there is a infinite recurring. That is also a rational number. But here 22 by 7, first 3, 73, 0.1, next value 4, next value 2, next value we don't know. That's why it's a irrational number. It's not a infinite recurring. That's why it's a irrational number. Suppose root 2 value, root also if we get 1.7 like something, so that is a irrational number. So next one, real number. Capital R indicates real number. Real number nothing but the combination of rational and irrational. The combination of rational and irrational numbers. The combination of rational and irrational numbers. So real number means the combination of rational and irrational number, or the union of rational and irrational. So here n indicates natural numbers. Next W, whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Next will be Z, integers. All whole numbers are integers. Also all natural numbers are integers. So next one, rational, Q. All integers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. Here irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Real number means what? The combination of rational and irrational called real number. The combination of rational and irrational number called real numbers.